Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to our tutorial and welcome to our IT Training Institute of Bangladesh. Today we will see how to configure YAML server, how to configure our machine as YAML server. Okay, actually the elaboration of YAML is YOLO doc updater modified. It is a Red Hat package manager also. We have discussed in our previous tutorial about RPM and theoretical of YAML also. Actually YAML is Red Hat package manager. We have learned from previous tutorial, which can query many information about packages like as install or uninstall packages from repository. Which is repository we have discussed our previous tutorial. YAML also automatically dependency resolve of packages. Such kind of works are done by YAML. Okay, it keeps the machine update by update packages, and actually its biggest advantage is that it can work with more repositories. If we want to install or uninstall or update any packages, it can resolve its dependency automatically, which is not done by RPM. Okay, for this reason actually YAML is designed. So today I will show to you how to configure my machine as YAML server locally. For this reason, if we want to configure YAML server, we have some packages which we find from our CD or DVD. Here my CD. If we go in this CD media ls command, here we see various folders, and these folders packages is required for this. If we see in this folder capital P, mind it, capital P. Okay, we will see many RPMs here. Actually when we any package install, from these RPM packages are installed or uninstalled or update. Okay, fine. For this configuration we have to make directory which is not default by created, so we have to create it by manually. mkdir var ftp pub -p, p for parent directory false. Okay, if we go in this path var ftp pub, and if we see there is nothing. Okay, fine. Now we will copy this package folder and we will keep this var ftp pub folder, -v for varpos, so that we can see the copy file. Okay, and capital R for full folder. Media, we will copy from media RCL6 and we will copy packages folder. Okay, packages, and where we will keep var ftp pub. Okay, and actually this folder contains huge space, about 3 GB or above. So after enter we will pause our video. After finishing our copying we will come back inshallah. Okay, now press enter. We will see copy the package folder in our var ftp pub folder. Okay, after finishing copy we will come back inshallah. Okay viewers, our package folder scope it finished. Now we have to create a repository. Okay, we have to create repository in var ftp pub package folder. Okay, so we have to go cd var ftp pub package folder. Okay, if we want to see what's are available here, those are RPM available here. Okay, fine. Now create repo RPM is installed here, so command will be RPM ivh create repo c. Okay, this RPM have to enter its folder, enter. Okay, we said that RPM is not responsible to resolve dependency. Okay, here we see error failed dependency because delta RPM and Python delta RPM is needed to for installing or to for creating install create repo. So we have to install delta RPM and Python delta. Okay, okay, RPM hyphen ivh delta RPM delta RPM. Okay, fine. Then another dependency I have to install RPM hyphen ivh Python delta. Okay, pytho, sorry, pytho delta. Okay, fine. Now we have to create repo, install. Okay, fine. Fine, we have created repository. Now we have to create database. Okay, for creating database, our command will be create repo hyphen v for verbose, and we will create var ftp pub packages in folder. (2763) database will be create here, so it will take some time also. Now for this reason we have to pause our video, and after finishing we'll come back inshallah. Welcome viewers. Our work is done. Savings primary metadata and savings file is state, savings other metadata. Okay, now we have to file, we have to go cd etc yam.repo. Okay, here we see RSL6 resource repo. Okay, we have to copy this file for backup. Okay, now we'll go in this file repo. Okay, Otherwise we can work, that is rm minus rf rs. Okay, we can make manually a file such as server dot repo. Extension server have to must. Okay, repo have to must. Server name is not fact, but extension dot repo is must. Okay, we enter. Here we will yum server. Okay, enter name RACL6 yum server. Okay, name is not fact. What you want here is put it, no fact. And then base URL here we'll write file, base URL. Okay, d slash for root, and our file is var ftp pub. Okay, and packages packages packages. Then we will enable enabled. Enabled one means yes, this file will be enabled when the server is started. Okay, gpg check check is 0. It is not check the key, gpg key. Okay, fine. We have to save this file. Now yum remove all. Or yum clean or is not fact. Okay, we can also this yum clean all. Okay, instead of yum remove all. Okay, fine. Now yum list all. Here we can see our yum server as configured. Okay, fine. Now we have to test. Before testing, we have to some works like that. Service IP tables stop. Okay, and chk config IP tables stuff. We know very well why we use csk config. Okay, sorry, on. Then SC Linux also have to stop. Set and force 0. Okay, okay, fine. Now we can test. We can install a package such that bsftpt, okay, bsftpt -y for dependency resolveness. We can see that our bsftpt daemon are installing, okay. Complete. If we want another package will be installed like that, zsh, it also is installing. So guys, our machine is configured for YAML server. I hope it will be helpful for your configure in your office or any kind of places to configure YAML server. If you face any trouble, you can mail me Mushfiq Rahman @hotmail.com. okay, MD Mushfiq Rahman @hotmail.com. So listeners, today that's okay. We will come back after for coming tutorial where we will see how to configure the YAML client, okay. Whereas we will not YAML server configuration in our client machine, we will install any package from this YAML server machine, okay. That's all. Assalamu alaikum again. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks to all.